5 KB5089573, KB5092427, not installing on Windows 11. 1. Restart your PC. Save all your work. Click Start, Power, Restart. Wait for Windows to reboot completely. Try installing the update again. 2. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Open Settings. Go to System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update. Click Run. Apply any recommended fixes. Restart your PC. Number 3. Check for sufficient disk space. Open Settings, System Storage. Ensure you have at least 20 gigabytes of free space. Delete temporary or unnecessary files. Retry the update. 4. Reset Windows Update components. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Stop Windows Update services. Rename the software distribution and cacheroot 2 folders. Restart the services. Reboot your PC. Check for updates again. Number 5. Repair system files using SFC. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type sfc/scanow, press Enter, wait for the scan to complete. Restart your PC. Number 6. Repair Windows image using DISM. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run DISM online cleanup image / restore health. Wait for the process to finish. Restart the computer. Try the update again. Number 7. Temporarily disable antivirus. Disable third-party antivirus software. Turn off real-time protection temporarily. Check for Windows updates. Re-enable antivirus after installation. 8. Install the update manually. Open the Microsoft Update Catalog website. Search for KB5089573, KB5092427. Download the version matching your system. Run the installer. Restart your PC after installation. Number 9. Perform a clean boot. Press Windows R. Type msconfig. Disable non-Microsoft startup services. Restart the PC. Install the update. Re-enable services afterward. Number 10. Use Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Run the tool as administrator. Follow the on-screen instructions. Allow Windows to repair and update the system. Restart your PC when prompted.